My old lead X-ray tech asked me to make something for you guys that I made for a potluck, maybe, about 8 years ago now. I chose to make loaded mashed potatoes. I made it in my crock pot back then, but I'm going to show you how to do it in my Instant Pot. Doesn't that look delicious? And that's me, I am Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell, share our video with your friends and family, and we have links to all the cool toys and tools I use in our kitchen in this video's description, plus the recipe. Now let's start it off by peeling 4 pounds of gold Yukon potatoes. I think they taste the best in mashed potatoes. And we'll chop all those potatoes into quarters. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon to our Instant Pot, along with 1.5 cups of water. Drop in your steamer basket into your Instant Pot. I 100% recommend this steamer basket. Drop in your 4 pounds of chopped gold Yukon potatoes. Put our Instant Pot lid on. Seal your pressure release valve. And we will pressure cook for a total of 15 minutes. It's time to chop plenty of garlic. And we'll take 1/4 of a white onion and we'll chop that down too. After 15 minutes, release your pressure. You now have perfectly steamed potatoes. Now check this out. Just grab them, put them in the sink. We're gonna save our chicken broth just in case we need to thin out our mashed potatoes down the road. Cancel your pressure cook and hit saute. Drop in 1/2 pound of maple breakfast sausage and 1/2 pound of bacon. When you get them just the way you like them, you're gonna move it all to some folded paper towels. Let's drain our liquefied fat into a piece of aluminum foil pushed into our kitchen sink drain. Fold it into a liquid fat torpedo and drop it into the trash can. Let's slice 1 stick of butter, add it to our Instant Pot. Knock them all over so that they get a chance to melt. I'm going to add some of our loaded mashed potato flavor. We'll start with some salt. And some fresh cracked pepper. I like the tri-color, but black is just fine. And then we will add some cream. And some sour cream. And we'll drop in our diced garlic and our chopped onion. Now it's time to chop our maple breakfast sausage and our bacon into small pieces. And push those into your pot as well. Let's stir all those ingredients together and scrape the bottom clean. Now it's time to drop in our perfectly steamed potatoes. Use your favorite masher to mash your potatoes into that incredible flavor. I like this masher, it leaves small chunks of potatoes behind. Let's put our lid on, leave your pressure release valve open. Hit slow cook, make sure it's on more, and set it to 1 hour. Now it's time to chop our green onions into small pieces. And shred about 2 cups of medium cheddar cheese. After 30 minutes, I removed the lid and sprinkled in our shredded cheddar cheese. And dropped in our sliced green onions. Stir the cheese and green onions down into your mashed potatoes. And there you go. We put a pile of one of our favorite pre-made salads on a plate, next to our personal meatloaf we made in our air fryer, and a big pile of absolutely incredible loaded mashed potatoes. Absolutely delicious. Creamy, perfect texture, and a mind-blowing, incredible flavor. Wow. Thank you, Melinda, for suggesting loaded mashed potatoes. I had a lot of fun making them, and I had a lot of fun eating them. Did you know loaded mashed potatoes go really good on broccoli? I do now. We made a potato patty in the air fryer, cracked an egg on top for breakfast the next day. Right on, everybody. Well, it's time to say goodnight. And it's also time to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Get notified when we have another video out there for you to watch, and share our video with your friends and family. If you're interested in this recipe, there is a link in this video's description that'll take you right to it. You can print it off, see what else we have out there for you to make. And we also have some links to all the cool toys and tools we use in our RV kitchen. Take care of yourselves out there. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.